Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind.
The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but it could be love. What you think about us, baby? Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, called it. Knew I would end up falling. Baby, we could take it further than now. Tell you what I've been thinking about. Yeah, thinking about us, baby. I've been thinking about us, baby. I've been thinking about us. I could be wrong, but it could be love. What you think about us, baby? Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? It's hard for you to deny the fact you need me in your life. Think about us, baby. What you think about us, baby? I could be wrong, but it could be love. What you think about us, baby? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this wig review. So this wig came down like this. It is really pretty. It is 16 inches and it is body wave. So that's why it has these curls and it comes all the way to like right there. And the company is a Amazon vendor, so I'm gonna put the name right here because I don't want to butcher the name. So it's right here. They reached out to me and their customer service is amazing. I love the person I talked to. And another thing about this wig that I really love, I don't know what it is, but it smells like really good. So when I first took the wig out of this plastic, I smelled it. I'm like, this smells good. You know how some hair just don't have a smell, just smell like hair? This hair has a smell, but it's not a negative smell. It's like, I don't know, expensive smell. But it smells really good. It smells really good. The hair is really soft. My mom even said, wow, the hair is really soft. So it's mama proof because she'll say what it really is. But I really like the color. The color is 30. And I like how it's natural. It's very natural. I did spray some lace tint on it, and y'all seen that when I was customizing the wig and putting it on and stuff like that. So with this wig, I did not do any plucking, and I did not do any I did not bleach the knots. So the only thing I did was spray that lace tint on it. And the wig is pretty natural. You could probably see my wig cap right there. So if I were to actually like wear this wig out, but right now I'm just wearing it for the video. But when I do actually wear this wig out, I will do the ball cap method because this wig is, the lace is really transparent and it is really good. So this is the box that the wig came in. Y'all also seen it in the customization part, but this is the box. It's a cute box, and like I said, this is what the wig came in. It came with the hairnet and a little white thing, and it was in the cap part, of course. So yeah. So shedding and tangling, I don't get any tangling, I don't get any shedding. I didn't get any shedding at all while I was customizing the wig, and I didn't get any tangling at all. So that is really, really good. Really do like that. And I think the wig is so pretty. I already said that, but I really do love this wig. So yeah, that is it for this video. Please give me a big like, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I upload the next wig video or whatever's gonna be. You never know. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. And that is it. Bye y'all.
I would wait for your boss, don't be